This is Poppy After Midnight 3. It's March 21st, 2019. Get right into the humor. Journeyman machinist had a brand new apprentice. First day, he sent him to get a file. After 45 minutes of talking to everyone else in the shop, the kid come back. Well, most of them got 10 inches. They're all cut, but none of them meant to being a bastard, man. That's an oldie. I mean, that's almost as old as when I nod my head, you hit it. A man once said that a gentleman does not discuss sex, religion, or politics in polite company. So if you're under the age of 18, or you're polite company, get out. Ain't no machining happening in this vid, and like I said, if you're under the age of 18 or polite company, under the age of 18, go get grandma. Ask her if you can watch this. Don't ask grandpa. He probably likes me more than is good for your.
Oh, he's just like your grandpa. Worse.
I'm not going to go to religion. I'm a serious student of comparative religion, and YouTube would bounce me like politics. No. I'd have to have all my mail go through the bomb lab if I started talking politics. And I don't even have to get partisan. I mean, if I just, go beyond the fact that all politicians are crooks, perverts, liars. None of them can be as trusted as far as you could throw their mansion. Whoa. So, I ain't gonna go to politics either. Oh, I'm gonna vote for someone. You heard of lesser of two evils? Who's gonna be the lesser of two evils this time around? Last night, Mama Raccoon and Baby were in the backyard, climbing in the above ground pool. It was so cute. Sat up on the rail, looking right at me like, yeah, what? Just open the door. Come on. Bring it, human. And the baby's just sitting there going, what's that? Is that a human? And it hung around for, a couple of hours. I missed the critters. There used to be a possum. In the evening, he'd go along the top of the chain link fence, heading down towards the little lake this way. Towards morning, he'd come back along the top of the chain link fence, heading home. Skunks. There was a skunk in the side yard with her baby last summer. That was the skunk that the summer before was Furball, our cat's good friend. I mean, they'd play. Friendly like. And Furball never come in smelling like skunk. She got watched playing with skunk many times. Friend of skunk. Whoa. What I miss though are the frogs and the toads. We moved out here in '98. You open the door at any time of the year. It had to be the absolute coldest to drive, them underground. Well, I'm going to say goodnight. Sleep tight. Think about this one thing. What? You didn't hear that? You have weak mind.